Neil, the next question's for you from Mr. Sayan Kundu and Sudhanshu Saxena. What is the reason PPFAS has launched a conservative hybrid? I believe you've already addressed this in your opening remarks to some extent. Uh, but if you can just try and elaborate as to what kind of return expectations can an investor have from this fund?
So when we launch, like I said earlier, the conservative hybrid fund is for us is like a debt fund or equivalent to a debt fund, which could get little more than what debt funds are giving right now, because there is some form of a little bit of equity and REITs in which sprinkled in the portfolio up to 25%. So what we've seen in the last few years is that FD rates and just debt in general hasn't haven't that don't have that good returns. Haven't given that good returns to investors, and they are probably not even beating inflation in some of the things. So the the purpose of the conservative hybrid fund was to obviously play it extremely safe in the debt part of it. Recently, we've seen that not being a little frivolous on the debt side can cause huge problems. So that was one thing that we wanted to do, was play it extremely safe, and that's why I mentioned that we only invest in sovereign and only triple A's there. So how do you get a little bit of inflation beating returns there? And again, our expertise are in the equity space, and again, having 15% allocation to the equity space in the conservative hybrid fund. Again, we're looking at dividend yield stocks, so we're looking at cash flows too, with a chance of capital appreciation on that front. So this we thought that this kind of a structure would really be beneficial going forward. So it basically I use it for my debt allocation. The Again, I think there was one more question on who should invest in the conservative hybrid fund. So majorly two kinds of people should invest in the conservative hybrid fund. One is people approaching retirement or in retirement who want a regular cash flow. So they should be investing in the conservative hybrid fund. Again, if you wait for 3 years, then you get the tax benefits also of indexation. So at least stay a minimum of 3 years, and post that you can do a systematic withdrawal plan in the conservative hybrid fund to get your regular cash flows. Secondly, it's also catered to the younger folks who want debt allocation, long-term debt allocation to reach certain goals. And I think this would actually also be very beneficial to the younger generation who are looking, who don't want to take too much equity risk and want to play it safe, but still get some inflation beating returns over the longer term. So, and want to fulfill some of their goals through debt. This would be a good option for people.
Thanks.
The return expectations, being a mutual fund, we can't give for either a debt scheme or a equity scheme.
Understood. Thanks.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.